of its kind except for all the rest, and key to maintaining capitalism is fair wage labor compact and competitive markets. And I think the markets are no longer competitive. I think they're failing.
And what do you cite as evidence of a lack of competitiveness?
Press release where the name Amazon is in it, and in 2 hours of the opening bell, healthcare industry sheds $31 billion. Amazon could take any stock on this board that's a consumer stock down 30% in 30 days with 30 press releases.
Isn't that just a reflection of the power of Amazon to attack other markets and their margin in that market and their ability to deliver efficiency? Why is that a bad thing?
Because if one company becomes so powerful it can deny the mother's milk of business, which is capital, you end up where we are, and that is new business formation has been halved in the last 40 years. And it's harder, there's 2/3 of the stocks have gone away, and it's harder to build a middle class. The middle class is failing because of the consolidation of power among a few companies. P&G, Unilever, GM, the titans of yesterday, 200,000 employees, 100 billion in market cap. Facebook, 590 billion in market cap with 24,000 employees. So trust your feelings. Which would have more hiring, a broader tax base, more competitors, more millionaires, maybe less billionaires, but more millionaires? Amazon, Apple, Facebook, or Google, or Amazon, AWS, Amazon Fulfillment, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Apple, iTunes, Google, YouTube. Search your feelings. You know this to be true. Come to the light.
Really, really interesting. I highly recommend, if you are watching this on YouTube or if you get a chance, check out Scott Galloway. He's an NYU professor. Really interesting. He talks a lot about stocks and investing. I don't know if he has, I'm going to do some more research. I don't know if he has anything on cryptocurrencies. I'm sure he'll start to talk about it because everyone eventually has to talk about cryptocurrencies. But highly, highly recommend you check him out. I think he has got some great content. And then this is something I kind of want to bring up to my audience. You know, is this okay? Do we really want, you know, these giant tech monopolies? And he brings up a great point that if you do this, you're going to have less and less millionaires. You're going to have more and more billionaires. And do we want that? Is it good for competition? There's a lot of questions to be asked, and I first just want to start with you guys and see what you guys think. In my opinion, I kind of like crypto because there's less of that. I mean, I guess there is kind of a monopoly in the crypto space. It's kind of an interesting concept. So just let me know what you guys think. Is this okay? Do we want, you know, a couple of companies to dominate the market like that, or is it not okay? Personally, I own Amazon stock. It actually, when it took a dive not too long ago, I picked up 10 shares. So I'm heavily invested in Amazon, and I feel like I bought into the Death Star, and this Death Star is now blowing up small home planets. So, but another thing I wanted to bring up is if you haven't got into investing in stocks, I think it's really important, and I definitely want you guys to check out Robinhood. You can basically get a free stock, and it has commission-free trading, which I think is really good for the market. I don't like how Gemini and Merrill Lynch and all these other brokerages are charging fees, and by supporting Robinhood, you're forcing these other brokerages to charge either less fees or eventually, you know, have to compete with Robinhood and do no fees. So check that out. Let me know what your opinions are on this Amazon debate. And for cryptocurrencies, just a small little segue is it looks like we're, you know, entering that bull market. I know Bitcoin hit over 10,000, so I'll post another video to kind of go over that as well. But I do want to go over this question of tech monopolies, and like I said, I'm going to be opening up this channel. I'm going to do 80% cryptocurrency, but I do want to put in, you know, 20% of, you know, maybe stocks, real estate, and other investing stuff. And I really want this channel to kind of inspire whoever is watching this to get into investing and, you know, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one asset class. So, you know, me personally, I'm about 50-50 stocks and cryptocurrencies, and I would definitely recommend something like that. But I do think for this year, cryptocurrencies will do way better than any other asset class. I think cryptocurrencies will outperform stocks, real estate, bonds, whatever. So very bullish on cryptocurrencies. And let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.